Hi, welcome back. Auntie Bemba Proverbs is back again. I hope I wasn't listed among the things that were supposed to remain in 2021 because I'm here to stay with you until the end. We are together until the very end. Welcome to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. Today I have a face with me, a young face. She will introduce herself and we'll proceed. For now, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Tell your children, especially that there's a young face here, that the program for Auntie Bemba is not for old people alone. She's doing it for you, if anything. So before I proceed, let's introduce our new face.
Hi, my name is Vanessa. I'm her firstborn daughter. I'm in grade 10 and I'm 14 years old.
So, this is the girl I was celebrating last time when I said this a new start. She made me proud. I'm very proud. And I brought her here today because I want to emphasize emphasize to my fellow parents and the children out there that indeed when I say if there's no one to do the little that we can do to preserve our culture, our children will not know anything about uh, their roots. So I've brought her and put her on the spot. This is going to be as raw as it can be because we did not sit prior to this video where we sat and discussed any of the proverbs we are going to say. So I'll be lenient enough just to ask her to share if she knows any proverbs. Because my point has been these children have been born in a time where there's just information technology. She's so good with phones, she knows stuff about my own phone that I don't know. But does she know proverbs? So we'll get to find out when she shares, if she'll manage to share. And from that, I hope other children can be encouraged to take interest, not in just the proverbs, but other things that makes us indigenous, the indigenous things about us Zambians. Okay. So I have a back to school challenge I'm running, and it's going to have 3 winners. The rules are very simple. All I need is 3 children who can share my channel with other people. The one with the highest shares will walk away with a school bag, a good quality school bag. The second one will walk away with 5 hardcover books. And the last one will get uh, a set of pens and a pair of socks. So this challenge is for school going children parents. It's not for you, but you can encourage your children to take part. They should just share and let the people who they share with mention who told them about this channel. Thank you for your support. I look forward to getting that feedback, to seeing that child, those children who are going to win the small giveaways that I have. So, Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you.
I'm happy to have you.
I'm happy to be here.
Okay. I want to, before you share, if you know any proverbs, I want to ask you if at any time in school, be it primary or secondary up to grade 9, you had lessons where you were taught about proverbs. A local language, a subject where you learnt about proverbs and Zambian tradition. Did you have any?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
It was in grade 5, 6, and 7
Okay.
in Bemba
Mm-hmm. So in Bemba, it was Bemba literature. So they will
and
teach you.
English.
Okay. So they will teach you how to read Bemba.
Yes.
And what else?
Then they would give examples of some proverbs and then they'll expect you to interpret them.
Okay. So now, after you left primary, you went to secondary. Have you ever interacted with any of your friends who use those proverbs? Maybe you're playing, or maybe they're trying to say something to you, then they just use a proverb. Say you're fighting, then they tell you, Vanessa, tondoro musum. Have you ever had an experience where a fellow young person like yourself uses proverbs?
No.
No. Do you think any of your friends is able to use proverbs?
Yes.
Okay. And understand them?
Mm.
That's encouraging. So let's get into the proverbs. I said I will not say, I don't want to be harsh by saying proverbs that she may not be able to understand. So I'll give her a chance to share whatever proverbs she has learned from wherever she learned. She said she learned in school. So she'll say them, then I'll interpret, then she'll get back to saying the meaning the way she was taught. Number one.
Imitikula empanga.
Okay, imiti kura empanga. If you know this one, I already shared. I think it was in one of the first videos I ever did. But the young bushes today are the future forest. That's the translation. I will let her interpret the way she thinks it means, what she thinks it means.
I think that it means us as children who are the future leaders, so are supposed to take care of ourselves and be taken care of in order for us to take care of the nation someday.
Hey, Imwe, I'm doing something right. You've seen. So she scored. I would love to hear another child say this meaning, this proverb, and how they understand it. I wish we could just receive videos of children also talking proverbs and giving them meaning. Number two.
Mayompapa naininka kupapa.
Mm-hmm.
I think it means that our parents are here to help us so that one day we'll be there to help them also. Or they are here to take care of us so that we can also take care of them.
But you want to give me credit. Anyway, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. This one is a real back from a real chip from my back. She wasn't around when I started this channel. She's in boarding school, and she has never watched any of these videos. She was surprised to see that I have a YouTube channel, but here she is. She's talking the same proverbs I've already given, and she has explained them exactly the way I did. It makes me proud, even if she didn't learn them from me. It tells me that my child pays attention when people are talking to her. We are on the right path. Another one?
Mm-hmm. Wanya wanya tateke chalo.
Okay. This one I don't know, my word. Shiva. I've never even heard Atishan.
Wanya wanya tateke chalo.
Okay. I can't even translate it. Let's hear what she says.
This I learned in RE at school.
Mm-hmm.
It's about leadership,
Mm-hmm.
and it means threats cannot lead people.
Okay. Mwevant. This 14-year-old has just proved that amano yarafuma mufwesa yaya muchudu. I have never in my life heard of this proverb. So we live and we learn every day. The more reason that we should encourage our children to take interest, not in just what I'm doing right now, but even other things. Because you may just learn from your child. Look at me. This one, I didn't see it coming. Thank you very much. Do you have anything else you want to share?
No.
No. She's a shy girl, as you can see. She's not like the mother. Thank you for your time. I hope I'll get the free children. The challenge, the back to school challenge is on. So let's get sharing those videos, and the winners customers will be contacted and they'll receive their presents. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to join me next time for more proverbs. Bye.